Hey, what's up YouTube? We're going to unbox and install a SK8-Bar crash bar. It's SK8-Bar from Down N Dirty Fab out of Ohio. It just arrived a few days ago. So we're going to open this up here and put it on the bike. I'll post a link in the description down below. Alright, it does come with hardware. I was actually wondering that. So you can see right there, it's got the hardware taped on there. I went back to look at the website and did not see anywhere that it said it came with hardware, so I was hoping it would. Although if it didn't have the hardware, I was just going to use my old bolt from the forward controls we've removed, but got some new ones. Put the knife away so it doesn't scratches. I think it's very wrapped up. Alright, so this is kind of a similar style to the, I think it's called Bun King, but it was about $100 less. And I like the looks of this one better. And I think I see why they call it SK8-Bar. If you look right here, these are skateboard wheels. They don't spin, but maybe that's why they got the name SK8-Bar. It looks nice. It was packaged very well. So what we'll do is get it installed right down here like this. But first I gotta get the hardware out to mount it. Gotta pull the plugs out. Alright, so we had to remove the canister because it was in the way. Oops. Hear my doggy whining in the background. Alright. So now got the bolts in there. See, we had to remove the canister, but hey, I think that's just a some type of EPA device. Who needs that? God, I'm old. Alright, got those tightened down. I think I mentioned in my last video that I couldn't find torque specs in the manual for these bolts, so just get it nice and snug. And I'm not using Loctite on them because I've had these break before and they weren't too hard to get out extracting them using a chisel. But with Loctite, that would probably be kind of a pain. Alright, so that's nice and snug down, so got it on there. Got to plug up those hoses for the canister. I think it looks pretty good. Help provide some protection should I ever drop it. Hopefully I don't. And somewhere to stretch my legs out on now on long rides since I took the forward controls off. Alright, this isn't too big of a deal, but when you do remove the canister and you take those bolts out, if you can, do one at a time, because I forgot that's the motor mount. So you see I had to jack the mount back up to line the bolt holes back up, which it's not a big deal. It only takes a couple extra minutes. But it's better to do one bolt at a time so you don't have to get the jack out. So what I did was just plug those up for now with a couple bolts. I will go to the hardware store and I'm going to get a couple rubber caps because they connect up here. I don't know if you can see them. And it's kind of hard to see back there. But anyways, let's get a couple rubber caps and I'll properly remove those over there. And then this one you leave on because the tank's got to breathe. So here we go. I got the SK8-Bar on. Looks pretty good. I like it. Nice and clean. Alright, YouTube. Till next time, ride safe.